Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to change the cycle speed on your SERO 12 blood banking centrifuge. How to change the cycle speed on the SERO 12. Now, as a quick reminder, your SERO 12 has all of its controls right on the front panel here. The RPM screen that shows your currently selected speed, the RCF-XG button underneath it that toggles back and forth between RPM and RCF, the stop unlock button that will stop any current spin and also unlock the lid of your centrifuge if it locks, the start button that will start a spin, the time screen that shows the currently selected runtime, the brake setting indicator, and the cycle button. Today, we are going to be focusing on the RPM screen and the RCF-XG button underneath it. We're going to be changing our cycle speed from 3,500 RPM to 3,600 RPM. But you can use the same process to change it to whatever you would like. We're going to press the up button next to the RPM screen. As you can see, the number on the screen changes as I press that button. A single press will change the RPM value by 50 RPM. If I accidentally pressed too many times and went above the number that I wanted, I could use the down button to reduce the RPM value as well. The current RPM is always what's shown here on the screen. Now, as I adjust the RPM, my G-force will automatically be adjusted as well. If I want to see what my G-force is, I can press the RCF-XG button here below the screen. Now, my RPM screen is actually showing my RCF, my G-force. If I wanted to adjust by G-force rather than by RPM, I can simply keep holding my RCF-XG button and then use the same buttons next to that RPM screen to make my adjustment. Once my speed setting is the way that I want it, displaying here in the RPM window, I'm ready to run my cycle. Check that your time, brake values are both the way that you want them, and then close and lock the lid of your centrifuge. Press the start button, and the centrifuge will begin to run. Once it reaches your programmed RPM, it will start counting down, running for the length of time that you specified on the time screen. Once the centrifuge has finished its run, it will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know that it's ready to unload. Once it comes to a complete stop, the lid lock will automatically open and will stay open for 1 minute. Simply twist the lid, unlatch it, and open it up to retrieve your samples. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about how to change the speed on your SERO 12 blood banking centrifuge, you can contact customer service. And if you would like to learn how to use other features of your SERO 12, you can click on the links that are popping up on the video right now. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.